When the first case of COVID-19 in Uganda was announced on the 21st March, the government of Uganda closed its borders and allowing only truck drivers carrying goods to enter the country. The airport at Entebbe was also closed. 4 of the 6 partner states, Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda, and South Sudan, agreed to jointly implement the guidelines. In spite of this agreement, Uganda continues to receive positive cases of COVID-19 from especially Kenya and Tanzania, and lately, South Sudan. Lawmakers of the East African Legislative Assembly are concerned that the disjointed approach to tackling the pandemic is the cause of the problem.
We are concerned as members of EALA, though, that the community still continues to have disjointed responses to COVID-19. We still have differences in the ways in which we are managing this pandemic. It's our hope that going forward, the different partner states can find mechanisms, can find common ground on how we can move together as a community to confront the pandemic.
We want partner states, all the 6 partner states, to have uniform testing, because you find different countries are using different testing procedures.
In effect, tension between EAC partner states is building up.
We are concerned that there are heightened tensions between the different partner states with respect to the management of our cross-border movements and cross-border businesses.
I want to urge the East African Community Partner States governments to reconsider their positions of individual and disjointed approach to curbing the pandemic, to have a harmonized approach such that we are able to go back into more or less a normal life.
As part of the EALA sensitization program, the MPs in their respective countries have agreed to visit the border points to ascertain the cause of the problem.
Tomorrow we should be able to visit the Entebbe airport and interact with the key top management at the Civil Aviation Authority and identify the challenges affecting cross-border trade in line with the common market protocol at the border points, and to see the strategic direction that the ministries have.
On the weekend, Kenya closed its borders to Tanzania and Somalia following a rise in COVID-19 cases from its neighbors.
And vehicles into and out of the territory of the Republic of Kenya through the Kenya-Tanzania international border.
They perceive it to mean that Kenya has closed their borders. Now, those are the areas that would want to be resolved. We do not want to have gray areas in terms of our communication across the region. They have to be very specific, and the recommendations have got to be very clear to the ordinary wananchi.
Jingo Francis, and